Hey all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is some cute Valentine holiday home decor that's easy to make, and you likely have a lot of the supplies already at home. And anything that you don't, you can easily pick up at any dollar store or Dollar Tree store. Now, if I had to choose a favorite project out of the bunch, it would definitely be this first project. Creating some 3D large decorative letters in the word amour, I think I said that right, or love in French. To make some of your own, you'll need some cardboard, cardstock paper, scissors, a razor or X-Acto knife to cut out the cardboard letters, hot glue, and some plastic cups and paint and anything else you'd like to embellish your letters with. In the video's description, there's a link to where you can download the PDF file of the letters, or the same exact letters that I used, if you would like. Now let's get on with the tutorial. First, you need to cut 2 of each of the letters out from some cardboard. To make the letters 3D, you'll need some plastic shot glasses like these that I picked up from the Dollar Tree store. Glue the shot glasses to one of the cardboard pieces, making sure the edges of the glasses don't go past the edges of the cardboard letter. You can cut some of the shot glasses in half for the spots that are too small for a whole one. When finished, add the matching second letter to the top and glue to secure.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overload.
Measure the outer edge to outer edge depth of the open sides of your letters. Then, using cardstock paper, cut out strips of the size you just measured and glue these strips to the edges of the cardboard to enclose the letter.
Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face.
Now don't forget to paint and or decorate your 3D decorative letters to your liking.
Restricted access. I'm just a fly to get up, yeah. We love is charging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime.
The second project is a red rose wreath with a Valentine's Day quote centerpiece. For this project, you'll need a floral foam wreath, silk flowers, silk red roses actually, red tissue paper, wire cutters, ribbon, and a glue stick. Begin by cutting the rose blooms off of the stems a couple of inches from the base of the rose. How many roses you will need will depend on the size of the wreath. For this one, I used about 15 roses. Cover the floral foam wreath with red tissue paper using a paper glue stick. Add the roses one next to the other by simply inserting the stem into the floral foam.
Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown.
Finish by adding a wide ribbon to the middle with a Valentine saying or quote in the center, like this one with Be Mine.
Always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown.
To create a suit of hearts and tassel garland, you'll need tissue paper, a deck of playing cards that you're willing to separate the suit or the hearts cards out and punch holes into, and some ribbon. To make the tassels for your garland, stack about 4 pieces of tissue paper together and fold the stack in half and in half the other way. On the long folded side, fold over 1.5 inches to crease and then unfold. From the unfolded long edge, you need to cut 1/2 inch strips up to the crease you just made to create the fringe.
Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rhyme my circuits, but you don't get that courage 'cause
Once you're done cutting all the strips, unfold and separate one of the 4 pieces of tissue paper. Lay it flat open, then from the uncut middle, either begin to roll it up or fold a few times and then roll up the tissue paper all the way. Tightly twist the middle of your roll and cross one end where the fringe begins over the other to create a loop for hanging. You'll then need to secure it with some ribbons or string. Curling ribbon works great. Repeat with the other pieces of tissue paper to create the rest of your tassels. From a deck of playing cards, remove all the hearts cards and punch 2 holes on the top of each playing card. With some ribbon, string the tassels and playing cards in an alternating pattern. You can then also add some extra ribbon between each tassel and card like I did with my garland.
I got you so bumfuzzled, 'cause you can fall into my place. No time to stay around, keep walking till you get out of.
Okay, we are nearing the end, I promise. For this next project, you'll need 2 matching vases, red or pink preferably, and tall and thinner, some paint or gold leafing, and fairy lights. Using 2 red glass vases from the dollar store, measure down 3.5 inches from the top. Place tape on each side for clean straight lines and paint, or you can apply gold leafing like I did to these. When you're finished painting, remove the tape. Then add some battery operated fairy lights to the inside of each vase, gently resting the battery pack inside, hidden behind where you just painted or gold leafed. Okay, the next 2 decor projects are super simple and so very easy. So you'll need some cardstock paper, or regular paper works too, but the cardstock I feel shows better. A color printer, photo frames, as well as some books to cover with paper in Valentine's Day festive colors. Display framed Valentine themed prints that you can print out at home. In the video's description, you can find the links to the printables in this video if you would like to use them. Cover different sized books with craft paper or tissue paper. Print out or write love potions and attach to one of the book spines. Stack large to small and place where you'd like. So wrapping it up and reusing a decor piece I had from Christmas, which is the bucket, I made a galvanized bucket of red roses that looked cute. I thought I'd share. Since I had a bunch of roses remaining from the wreath, I placed them in a galvanized bucket with a bit of cute tissue paper.
Never seen you in the flesh. My laptop's upon my chest. Your pretty face upon my screen. Type lines like poetry.
Alright, well now it's time for you to go and create your own Valentine's Day decor for your mantle, wall, or wherever you're decorating. I'm positive it will be beautiful. Oh, one last thing again real quick. If you want to use any of the printed signs or like the book spine or the large 3D letters that I used, in the video's description you can find links to those that you can download if you'd like to use them. And if you like room decor, DIY projects, unboxings, beauty, fashion, hair tutorial videos, then consider subscribing to my channel. Oh, and be sure to click the little bell icon next to the subscription button while you're there so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. If you try any of these decor projects, let me know in the comments how they come out. Okay, well thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And I hope you all have a very happy Valentine's Day or Single Awareness Day, whichever one you're celebrating. Have a great one, awesome one, fabulous, all of those. Alright, bye.
Such a warm